Alright, 3 core workspace files, SOUL.md, AGENTS.md, .user.md. Let me walk through what to actually put in each one and how to keep them tight. Because tight matters. Start with SOUL.md. The persona file, 3 sections that work really well. You do not need more than these. Honestly, section 1. Persona with 1 or 2 sentences about who the agent is. I am the user general purpose assistant. Concise, direct, no filler. That is enough. Really, that is enough. Section 2. Voice. How does the agent speak? First person, plain prose, short sentences, no marketing tone, no exclamations, match the channel tone if it is informal. Stuff like that. This section drives how every single response actually reads. Take your time on it. Section 3. Defaults. When in doubt, ask before acting. Confirm before destructive actions. Cite sources when stating facts. These are the behavioral guardrails. That is SOUL.md. 2000 words is the upper bound I would give you. Anything longer, you are paying token tax on every single message. Forever. Not great? Now AGENTS.md. The rules file, 5 sections that work. Number 1. Session startup. What does the agent read at the beginning of every session? Usually, SOUL identity user. Indirect messages, also memory, and today, daily log. Acknowledge the user briefly. Do not recap. Number 2. Memory system, where memory lives. Daily logs at memory/year-month-day.markdown. Curated long-term at me.md, direct messages only. How to write to them. Append, do not rewrite. 1 bullet per change. Number 3. Red lines, the non-negotiable rules. Do not exfiltrate private data. Do not auto-send messages to external parties without explicit send. Do not run destructive shell commands without confirmation. Be specific, really specific. Vague rules get rationalized away by the model, trust me. Number 4. Group chat etiquette. How does the agent behave in group chats? Participate, do not dominate. Only respond when @mentioned, unless require mention is off for the group. Match brevity to the channel. Number 5. Heartbeat protocol. A pointer to heartbeat.md. Reply with the literal text heartbeat OK if nothing needs attention. That is AGENTS.md. The whole file should fit in maybe 1000 to 1500 words, not more. Last one, USER.md. Who you are. 6 fields that work. Name, preferred form of address, pronouns if you want them. Time zone, notes, context. The notes and context fields, that is where you put things you want the agent to remember about you. Stack you work in. Side project you tinker with. Communication preferences. What frustrates you? What kind of humor you appreciate? But here is the thing. Keep it relevant. Keep it short. You are teaching it about a person, not building a dossier. A rule of thumb. If your USER.md is more than a page, you have over-detailed. The agent does not need your life story. It needs just enough to behave like it knows you. That is it. For copy-paste ready examples of all 3 files, look in the prompts folder of the course vault. We have SOUL.md examples for main, coding, work, personal, and family agents. Same for AGENTS.md. Use them as starting points, then make them yours. In the last lesson of this module, we look at how to actually add and list agents from the command line. See you there.